like everything is out of place, but it's fine with me. Hi, Ren. I can't wait. Not bad, not bad. How about on this laptop? Oh, you can. God, Sanibonani. Sanibonani banga emakhaya. Hi every dopey, what is going on? How's good your day? Sanibona. Minister. Sawubona crash out. Sawubona minister une-taste niyayazi quality. Sawubona kunjani? Sawubona ntokazi. Alandela. Guys, I've just arrived. Wait, yo. Alandela, sawubona kunjani? This laptop is taking 5 business days to vulega. What the fish? What the heck? Kunjani? Ngiyaphila kunjani? I don't understand why ningihleka. I'm so serious, yes. Hello kunjani? Ngiyaphila kunjani? Leslie. Hi Leslie, how are you doing? How are you? Oh, fucking amazing. Thank you for asking. I'm great. I'm great. Oi! What is going on? What must can happen now? Need to prove a romantic. Indlala music for you and I to the day we die, baby. Need to prove a romantic. I mean, now. But yeah, it wasn't meant to be because our pants above room. Thank you for the rose, Siabonga. You look like City Makatini. Lies, lies, lies. Everywhere is lies. Chomiable, but no, we don't look alike, man. I'm doing great. I feel like I need to wear something dark because I can't see the thingy here. Wait, wait, wait. They don't love you, I go love you. Wait. I need to change into something dark because I can't see the comments properly. They don't love you, I go love you. Wait. They don't love you, I go love you. No. Stay. Okay. Okay, alright. Everything is wrong in man, guys. Nginikeni isikhathi nginikeni ithuba azikhalele. This laptop is taking forever to load. I think I need to. Hi. Yes, I'm better. Okay, sorry guys. Sanibona. Abafikayo sanibonani. Okay, yasithanda sabangisakazi. Ngikhona ba. Yabo. Ngikhona sanibona. Oh, TT, I'm just wearing a dress, man. I just woke up from a nap. Nakhona. I'm doing great. How are you? I'm doing amazing. Thank you for asking. Ngikuhleka ngoba ngathi uyahlanya. Ngiyahlanya sometimes. Hi every day. Sisomdala. Sawubona Castro, how you doing? Manani. One people per person. People per person. Please. One people per person, please. Okay. It's been a minute. Back njengomqolo ke sana. Iwayile big league bashana. Ubuyile umalume. Ngibuyile ngiyaxolisa futhi. Intuthuko unjani? Mara nathi ngiyabona. Who's this? Zait. Uzohamba la. Engasitshela yona. Sabona ntokazi njani? Ngiyaphila Slova wena unjani? Castro. Oh, wait. Okay, yeah. Man. Guys, the laptop here because I should be playing music, but then it's still thinking. I think it'd be fainty or something. You're really in a good mood. This is me every day, Shane. Every day. Day and night, I care mal. Every day. Your boy, my boy. Hi, Mshengu, hello, how you doing? 360 shy. engizoyenza kuwena ngizokushaya ngoba i-360 ahlile esikoleni sokuzoyifuna kimi dlali la kamuhle ngiyabonga kakhulu tutor, thank you so much. Asisakwazi guys ngikhona nje vele riyazenza ngiyapretenda nje akumnandi man cha futhi sengisusa abantu hayi zama ngicela uphume kwi-live yami sisi ngicela uphume nomunye wakhomenta kanje ngamgwaza samgcwaba the next day so nje nawe sisi ngiyokusiza maye sihle isimalo sakho ngiyabonga anginabazali ngiyabonga. Okay, sorry guys, I get nervous when music is not playing because now I know like the focus yonke sikimi. Like I get so nervous when the music is not playing because all you guys are focusing on me. Now I don't know what to say. Sure. Sengiyaphuma hamba vele potato hamba la how hi hey how you doing sawubona sure mfethu right sure of all right kulungile cela ukhupha imali enza boy enza futhi ngiyahlupheka nkosi yami anginabazali ngintandane ungangisiza kabi imali yakho bandla manje bengidla ipapa nenyoni. Guys, I'm so sorry. I get so nervous when I'm out here and my laptop is not playing music. Okay. Thank you for the gift, Dr. Spillo. Dumi, hi Dumi, hi Kitty Pie, hi Black, how you doing? Oh God, the laptop ayenze phela manje. Back at it again with the blonde. Of course. Cause why not? Thank you, Dr. Qobile Hadebe nkosi yami ngisasombe soshada kusasa. Vele nje siyenziwe fast lento ngifuna ukuthi papa nenkukhu no nenyoni. Bengidla ipapa ne-pigeon, not just enyinyoni, a pigeon. Ngibheke kahle. Okay, I need to stop laughing now. Alright. Ntombazane awusayanga eblom. Hey, zinhle indaba ezingaka. No, I didn't. I told you ukuthi I'm stuck between the two, so I ended up not going anyway. Check my dress. Ekuseke juice endaweni ngakhala abantwana bathi ayimphuzise sawona ama juice. Oh my goodness, uma juice guys ngamgcina nini? Yo, kusho ukuthi inyanga ayahamba yathuluywa yimi. Haven't seen you in forever. Sawubona majusi. Hawu. Azokamnandi eThekwini. Usunguhle kanje uthi kwenzenjani abanye abantwana. Sabangishade. Abangishade. Ngiyazicekela. I really love your content. Thank you so much. I love it too. How nkosi yami. How let's donate to Rand enza boy. Enzani nkosi yami. No, wait, I think my laptop is on now. Sengikhulume kakhulu. Let me play some music because I'm so nervous when there's no music playing because you guys are just listening to me. Yep. If I'm quiet then it's shy. Unjani ngiyaphila nkosi yami ijuice labantwana ijuice eliphuze kayi 100% juice ngiyaphila bajuice. Guys, look at what's going on. What's going on? 1, 2, 3. Silalelani today? What do you guys want to listen to today? Ngicela ukuzwa ngani anike ningilawule. Nkosi yami kumnandi la kanti lutho. Shuthi wena into ezibheke eceleni uzwana nazo uyazithanda. Because siyasangana la. Sonke futhi ayekho ngcono. Bonga noma nje siyangihleka ayikulungile bafethu. So Thailand, no, it's still roundering. I think rap or piano. Oh, what fun. we usually listen to Umalumus Java or we listen to Abo Sabrina. So ngiyagowisha kwenze njani sibalikhulu inkosi yami khuluma nathi Maskandi oh Maskandi because ngumZulu mfethu we can't listen to Maskandi. Woo! Wait, whoa. Thank you, Ima. When Ubanlo, ukhuluma ngoflex. Keleto. Whoa, man. Before the thing plays. Si sisamele i-YouTube video yakho no-Flex. Uflex, guys. Uflex, we're no longer. I don't know if I should say we're no longer friends or what, but then we no longer talk. So I don't think there's a YouTube video coming. We no longer talk. We no longer follow each other, and that's why. So there's no YouTube video coming. What must can happen? What should I play? Thank you for the finger heartbeat. What should I play? Noma, what do you mean? Flex as in low flex. Yes, flex as in low flex. Futhi ngithanda ukukhuluma ngabantu kwama-live wami guys. Ngathi ngingakhuluma ngami. Futhi angingabhede ukuthi ngihambe. Nibe right guys. Charge. We're around 10. I'll be back at like 10. So yeah, you better write my page. Yeah, they know Sula. Better write. See you guys at 10. Flex us try like Columbine, I don't know what's going on. Like I won't lie, I really don't know what's going on. I haven't spoken. When's the last time I spoke to Flex? Oh, I think like June, May, June, somewhere in. I really don't know. Then I kuluma naye again, but me now. I kill it. Which is fine, man. It's okay. 2 songs. Why you see this was cool? 2 songs. Yeah, so Umalumus Java. We always listen to Umalumus Java here. Or Sabrina Carpenter or Sabrina Claudio. I don't know. But ngiyahamba manje lezo zinto lezo singazikhuluma ngabo thini. Why me and Flex? What do you mean? Why me and Flex? I know. Sibakhulu uthini bethu? I'm confused. There is no Flex and I, man. Ashela phela sazonga. Nebhetri laptop ayike yabona into zomkhathi azisahambi-ke kahle. Oh, ngibona later sengilungisa impilo yami ungcono yabona. Better that way. You and Flex don't talk to each other. We haven't talked in. Oh, you and Flex don't talk to each other. Why? Oh, I don't know. Like I really don't know. We just, cause you know what happened. Uflexi, I knew her from high school, right? And then after that, Aspinanga Sakuluma, and then when was it? Late last year, we started talking again, and then June or before June, then we stopped talking. So I don't know. Just happened, man. I don't know why. Where you from? I'm from Joburg. So yeah, there's no story behind it. I won't even lie. There is no story behind. We just stopped talking, and then yeah, man, that's what I'm saying. There's no YouTube. First year, no, bro. First year, ngimdala kanje at my big age. At my big umfazi wakabani. Sure. Saba wena ukuba umfazi shame cause wowza. Why of that? Guys, I'm jolly shame, yo. And it's sad. Hey, kinali bad shame. Kinali bad. When it comes to Mjolo, shame. But I see collabo. Let's enough about my sad life. Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga. So nje money. The thing is, ooh, angeke. Sorry. I'm trying to look for. It looks too beautiful. Boys don't trust. No, Flex Basingajol. Whoa. No, Flex and I were just friends, man. I got Jolly, she's married to me. Watch I love baby. Oh yes, wena. Now baby sayangitshela guys ukuthi ngishadile mina. Ngilahla during the people. Uthe wakhe ubani? That's the chat. Owakhe Kimang. Yabo? Ngathi wena mosha. Ay, bafana bam, ngiyanishiya mina manje. I'm talking about you and Flex don't talk. Yes, we don't talk, but then we never dated. That's the thing. Because now you're making it seem like there was something. There was never. Bafana, Mina. Bafana, never. So, no, man. But yeah, like I said, so charge on the boy. You be right. Papa, because I'm going to be. No, because I'm going to pink aura. Pink aura. That's me. That's just. I'm not talking about that. Usibalukhulu uney'ndaba eziningi. Oh, uney'ndaba eziningi. But kulungile. So catch up amangibuya guys. I was gonna be live for like a few minutes and then hi chai and fun. Hi chai. Bye bye. Bye. Ungayeka manje wafika ikhululeka sayilezi. Ayasebenza so. Sayilezi. But yeah, bye guys. Ngibona manje ngabo 10 kanje. You be right. Sharp book. Yeah, at 10 I'll be back, I promise. Just need to charge and fix my life. You be right, yes. And ngizomtshela ukuthi ngiyanithanda bese